All right, guys. So now I'm going to be picking the winner. Not really the winner, but so I asked in a couple of live videos what I should eat next, cook next, restaurant, fast food, whatever. And I told you guys if you want, give me some suggestions, ideas on my community board. I put a little question: what should I eat next? You guys give me some great suggestions. Some of the things were really creative, like homemade potato salad, homemade French dip with grilled onions, or another person said French dip with banana split. So some of you guys were very creative and very precise on what to eat, but a lot of them were just really amazing, really good. So guys, put all your guys' ideas in this bag, and I'm not gonna look, and I'm going to pick one of these. Which one should I pick? All right, let's see what this one is. Oh my god, I just talked about the banana split. Oh, this is gonna be a tough one. Oh god, guys. All right. Wow. All right, here we go. So it is a French dip sandwich and a banana split by Taylor Parker. Oh, this is gonna be tough. I wrote it. So I don't know if you can read. I don't know if you can read my writing. So wow. Okay. I guess we're gonna start making a French dip. I'm gonna show you the process. I'm gonna show you the process of the banana split. This might be a long video, but let's get started, guys. All right, so for today, we're gonna make a homemade French dip. This is a recipe that I picked. So this video is a subscriber request. They want me to do a homemade French dip. I never made this before, so I bet you it's gonna be so freaking good. I had this at a restaurant, so I know it's gonna be so good. And he also wants me to do bananas, but hopefully I won't be too full after this sandwich. I can do the banana split if I'm too full. Maybe I'll do it the next day, but we're gonna start putting this in the slow cooker and making the recipe. All right, so what we're gonna do is put 3 cans of beef broth in the crock pot. All right, I forgot to tell you the recipe I'm following. I found this recipe on YouTube. It's a channel called Betty's Cooking Channel or something like that. So she recommended 12 ounces of beer. So I got some beer. I don't know if I got the right kind of beer, but she says if you don't want to do beer, you can just add extra water or extra beef broth. I thought beer would make it more flavorful, more tender. So we're gonna add 12 ounces of beer. All right, next we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. All right, then you stir it. All right, the next step is adding 1 onion. In the video I saw, she added 2 onions, but my beef is a little bit smaller, and I'm not going to be having a lot of roast beef sandwiches. I'm not gonna have a lot of sandwiches. I might just have, I don't know, I just figure like 1. I think 1 onion's enough for me. I don't think I need 2 onions, actually. Next, we're gonna sprinkle 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. So next I'm going to add this boneless chuck roast. So I have 2.30 pounds. All right, so I am going to cook it on low for 8 hours. But this is, from my experience with the slow cooker, it's a little smaller one, so it usually takes a few hours less. So it's probably will get done in 6 hours, probably. Yeah, so we'll have to wait 6 hours later, guys. All right, it's been about 6 hours or so. I was taking a nap, guys. Oh my god, I could smell it. It smells so good. It looks so good. Now I'm gonna have to take this out, and I guess I'll shred it so it'll be good for the sandwiches. I also think I might, for the next 2 meals, and I might make some potatoes and carrots and have like a roast dinner. That's what I'm doing. So I did shred it, and what I'm gonna do now is get some rolls, butter the rolls, and add the beef on the rolls with some Swiss cheese. All right, I have some butter. I'm just gonna, we'll put the butter, basically a French roll, any kind of roll would do. All right, now I'm gonna add some of the shredded beef to the sandwich. Let's do this. All right, I got some sliced Swiss cheese. I'm just gonna put it on here. Probably cut it in half, so. And we're just gonna put it in the oven until the bread gets toasty and the cheese gets melty. All right, looks pretty good. Cheese is melted. Actually, I think I want it a little more crispy, so leave it in a little bit longer. All right, looks pretty good. I'm just having a simple salad Italian dressing. We're gonna add some of that onions in the crock pot, and we're gonna add it on there. This looks exciting, guys. I never made this before. I've had it at restaurants, but I'm sure it's going to be much better. And then you just fold it up and you cut it. All right, I'm gonna add some of that sauce. This is it, guys. Oh my God, it's probably my best video ever. Especially with the banana split afterwards. Yes, guys, we're having banana split afterwards. So I'm filming this outside because I know you guys like outside videos, so I'm super excited. One last close-up before I eat. The sauce, the French dip. Wow. And the simple salad Italian dressing. Looks amazing. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a homemade French dip, some simple salad Italian dressing, and of course we got the sauce. I can't wait to get started. Alright, I showed you the close-up. It looks like, I can show you another close-up, but it has the onions, the beef, butter bun, Swiss cheese. First, I'm going to try it without the sauce, just to try it out, and then I'm going to try it with the sauce. So here we go. First, I got to say that butter bun is so good. That first hit the spot. It's so good without the sauce, but I'm going to have a few more bites, but it's so good. Oh my God. Second bite, really good. Alright, now I'm going to dip it in the sauce right here. It's the sauce just from the crock pot, but let's try it out. This is so awesome. The flavors is just out of this world. It's interesting because if you don't dip it in the sauce, you can't taste the butter bread, which I like the butter bread too. So they're good both ways. So today I was looking at how to make banana splits on YouTube just to see what kind of things people do. A lot of people do different ice creams, not just chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. So I came up with this video. It was like Quan Tran, I think, and it was how to make banana split. Cool. But guys, guess what? The first video before the banana split, guess what he made? He made this, a French dip. And I'm also wondering if that subscriber follows Quan Tran and thought about that. It was just so weird, like, but interesting combination, banana split and French dip. But I'm gonna try this without the sauce first. It's so good. But yeah, this is really good. So I found this recipe on, I think the channel is called Betty's Kitchen. She hasn't posted a video in like 3 years. She still has her website up, so I think she stopped making videos. But I made a chicken, I think I made a chicken enchilada from her channel as well. It was pretty good. Awesome. So today is Sunday. Next Friday I'm going to see my mom and brother in San Diego. So I'm super excited about that. Should be a fun trip. I definitely need a vacation. I've been working so hard, and I won't be working at Walmart for a pretty good 2 weeks, so it's a nice break from Walmart as well. And depending on how I feel when I come back, I might take a little vacation, like a mini road trip, or I don't know, maybe beach place. I was looking on Craigslist for like beach places, like cottages, or just, and if anybody knows any good places in Northern California, or maybe California in general. I might go to Pismo Beach. That's in between Northern and Southern California. Just looking for a place just to relax, chill, go to the beach. Beaches really relax me, you know, recharges me, you know. So Pismo Beach is 4 hours where I live, but it's an idea that I thought something I could do that's different. Maybe I could do something new on the channel. Guys, where do you want me to? Guys, where do you want to see me go? I could maybe take a mini vacation in Vegas. I'm not sure about Vegas. When I go to Vegas, I love getting massages. I don't know if they do massages there. Something that's kind of like not too far, not too expensive. So Vegas is close by. Reno, I could drive to Reno. I think it's 4 hours to get to Reno from where I live, so it's not too far. Or I might maybe want to go to a beach town or somewhere by the beach. I'm not sure. I've never been to Pismo Beach before, so it'd be kind of cool. My sister says there's a place there that they have the best cinnamon rolls, so I may have to like check out the cinnamon rolls in Pismo Beach if I go. But yeah, this is very good. So I have a lot of beef left. Too bad I live by myself. There's nobody to share my food with. My niece the other day told me if I'm lonely. I guess in a way I'm kind of lonely. But I don't know. But I also like living by myself because it's just, I don't know. I like to have my own place, but I miss having, well, I do have some friends, but a couple, not a lot. So like I said, I'm gonna see how I feel after I get back from my vacation in San Diego for 6 days. Hopefully I'm relaxed and recharged. If I do want to take, I might take a mini vacation. And yeah, let me know, you guys, if you know any areas. I would say California. I don't know. I want to go to the beach. We have beaches here, but they're really cool. I want to try something different and new, I guess. So if I drive, probably 4 hours, but anything more than that, I would just probably prefer to fly. It'd be easier on me. Alright guys, I'm going to take a little break and let my stomach digest for a little bit, and then we're going to make the banana split. Now I'm making my banana split. I got this banana and I realized it's really small. Usually banana splits have a bigger banana, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it anyways. Maybe it'll be like a small banana split. Then I'm just gonna cut it in half. All right, so for the ice cream part, I have 3 different ice creams I'm gonna be using. I have this Ben & Jerry's vanilla. Believe it or not, I couldn't sleep last night because I drank a Red Bull. So at 3 a.m. I bought one of these for the video and I ate the whole thing. But this is really good, by the way. And then I don't have a lot of room for my freezer for like 3 big containers of ice cream, so that's why they're kind of small. I have another one. This is a strawberry shortcake little sundae. It's pretty good. And this is a chocolate brownie ice cream. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing. We'll be adding that to the banana. All right, I'm gonna start putting this ice cream in the middle. I'm gonna put vanilla first. I don't have an ice cream scooper, so I'm gonna have to get like several, I guess, spoonfuls and add it on there. How do you do this? And we got this chocolate one. I'll put this over here. That looks a little bit better. And now I'm gonna do strawberry on the very end one. Okay. All right, for some sauce, I'm gonna use some hot fudge. I'm gonna put this on the microwave for like a minute. All right, microwave, this is pretty warm. So I'm putting this, just sprinkle like kind of over the ice cream, I guess. Some people add caramel and strawberry too, but I really love hot fudge. That I just decided just to do hot fudge only. Yeah, it's really good. All right, next is the whipping cream, guys. And I'm gonna put a lot. And next I'll sprinkle on some mixed nuts. And the last step, we're gonna add some cherries. This one's melting. There it is, guys. What do you think? Oh my God, I can't wait to try it. All right, guys, I better eat this before it's already melting. I better eat this before it melts. I don't know why it's not focusing very well. It's really weird, but it's melting a ton. It's good. Why? Oh. This is a very good idea. Very different request, but I like it. Let me know if you guys make banana splits. Have you ever made one? How do you make it? So thank you guys for posting on my community board what you want me to make next. I got some great ideas. Some of them I would just make instantly. Someone did suggest kebabs, Mediterranean food. I would get that. A lot of pasta videos, pasta meatballs. I would do that for real, for sure. Someone wanted me to make spaghetti, garlic noodles with shrimp and crab. Oh man, I would do that in a heartbeat. I wish that won. I could still make it for the channel, but it was a good idea, and it's very easy to make. That's right. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. This is a very special video because it was a subscriber request video. It was fun. I might do another winner when I get back from San Diego. So if you guys have a request, go to my community board and put your request in. And yeah, let's keep this rolling, guys. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.